Travis, and I'm going to give you a brief description about this project. Well, this project is about recycling and having dynamics and campaigns. So I think it's a little based on Kotsu, the one club that it's in the CDEP, but practically that's all. Just the kind of idea we got, but not all the project. Well, our project is based on recycling the batteries that the alumni from the CDEP are not going to use because we want to do this because the batteries are the one that contaminate the planet most.
For this project to be done, we researched about different statistics. We saw that the climate change is one of the biggest treatments to the biodiversity. We saw that it changed the conditions of the environment, making the animals and the species to adapt and tolerate different conditions that they are not used to. Another statistic that we searched about was the pollution, which is the increase of the carbon dioxide that affects the atmosphere. This statistic took us to the greenhouse effect, which is the combination of the gases that affects the atmosphere, and its major cause is the pollution and contamination, not only in the air but also in the soil. And from this we decided to search about the pollution that makes the technology devices such as the batteries.
I'm going to explain the step number 4 of our STEM project that consists of collecting batteries that doesn't work anymore in a simple box. So the idea is not very difficult or hard to perform, but the action is what it counts. So I have to explain the prototype design and the functions and all that, but I think there's not much to explain of a simple box that is going to collect the batteries, because it's just a box that we have to decorate to grab the people's attention, but apart from that there's nothing much to explain. So I think here the important thing is to help the people to know what the real problem is in our planet Earth, that is that we are literally killing him for our self problems. So the thing here is more than describe the prototype, that is the box, is to describe the idea that we have to communicate to other persons so that they can know the damage that we are causing. So apart from a simple box describing it, the important thing here is that you realize the damage that we as humans, we as all the planet, all the persons that are the damage that we are causing to Earth. The idea that we have to transmit to other persons so that they can know the damage that we are causing. Thanks.
Well, good afternoon to everybody. I'm going to explain you about what we modified in our model. We start with the idea of a recycling program, but we changed this idea in some ways because another student made also the same idea, so we were forced to change it. First, we changed our idea of collecting plastic bottles to batteries. So this was another form to help our environment because the batteries undo the ozone layer. So we are going to make like a special deposit for the batteries at the CDEP with the goal to reduce the amount of toxins that the batteries drop. Our deposit is going to be created with a recycling material as paperboard, paper, newspaper, etc. And with this create like a type of box. And there we are going to put all the batteries that we are going to receive from all the groups.
The purpose of this theme is that made to think the people how the batteries damage the environment. So the topic is to collect the batteries that we do not use now. So you can know that it's a community level. So we will put in different parts of the city boxes that you can go and put the batteries.